Hey everybody, Justin down in my electronics workshop. So I had a little bit of time to go through my HP 54601A and did some repairs on it, some updates, and figured best way to test it is to put it in XY configuration and have a little bit of fun with some vector music and see how well it plays out. So just as an example of what that involves, had to make some pigtails here. These are just some BNC to RCA adapters that I keep on my shelf because, well, you never know when you need those. And I do have that connected to my computer, which I'm playing some, Jerobeam vector music. So it's Jerobeam Fenderson. They have like a project that they do, and there's some really cool vector music that you can get. I have purchased this previously, but I am directly playing this from YouTube right now, just for the ease. But let's have some fun here. So this is the file called Shrooms. It's kind of an interesting, simplistic demonstration of it. So there you have it. Yeah, it's definitely very, very interesting, kind of unique, kind of just kind of wild to experience for the first time, and even after you've kind of dealt with oscilloscope music. If you want to check out some of this stuff on your own, he does have a YouTube page, or they have a YouTube page that you can visit called Jerobeam Fenderson. Was it Fenderson? Fenderson. There we go. So if you would like to check some of that out, even if you don't have an oscilloscope, they have a visualization oscilloscope on screen that shows all of that fun nerdiness, and there is quite an oscilloscope music scene that other people have put together. So hope you found this interesting, and we'll catch you at the next nerdy moment. Boy, I'm happy this oscilloscope's working great again.